Hello and welcome to Aurelian University. In this video, we're going to talk about lists. So lists in Python are a lot like lists in your normal life. Lists in your normal life, like a grocery list, will have multiple things in it. Lists in Python store multiple values in one variable. The values are in a specific order, so there's a first thing, a second thing, a third thing, and you can access them by saying, I want the first thing in this list. Values are changeable. So once you've made a list, you can change it. It's not set in stone. And values or lists allow duplicate members. So you can have two things in the list that both say the same thing. So here we have several examples of lists and how to write them in Python. I have my animals, my fruits, my friends, my numbers, and my mix. And my animals has a bunch of animals in it. My fruits has a bunch of fruits in it. My friends has a bunch of friends' names in it, Bob, Joe, Mary, Jane. My numbers has a bunch of numbers because you can put things of different data types, not just strings, in lists. And my mix has things of more than one data type. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, but with 1 and 3 written out. And we can access these by looking at their order. So for example, if we want to access the first thing in my animals, we'll say my animals 0, and then we'll put that in square brackets. Just like the lists are in square brackets, we'll put the index in square brackets. And 0 is the first thing. So we start our counting when we're accessing things in lists with 0. We can also select certain parts of the list. So in the brackets we can put 1, then a colon here, and then 2. And this will cut us off. We'll start with 1, orange. So 0, 1, and then we'll get up to 2, we'll get pineapple, and then we'll end the list there. We can print starting at the beginning up until 2, so 0, 1, 2. And then we can also print from 1 until the end, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can also just print the whole list. So let me show you really quickly in Python. Notice here I'm already in the folder that I want to execute the script in. So Python 3 lists.py. So the first one accesses the first thing in my animals, fish. The second one accesses the second thing, so we're starting at 0, orange, and cuts it off before number 2, so we get just orange. The third one starts at 0. The third one starts at the beginning of the list and goes up until number 2, so Bob and Joe, and then Mary, which is at index 2, 0, 1, 2. It cuts it off before Mary, so we get Bob and Joe. And then this one right here, the fourth one, starts at the first number and will go to the end. So 0, 1, we're going to start at 2 and go through 6. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then this one right here just prints the whole list. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can fit multiple values in these lists and access them according to their order, essentially.